Ingabe uMafikizolo ucela inselelo kuKhuzani noma cha asazi kuyobonakala lokho. Daily Sun rising Maskandi star uMafikizolo is making waves stepping aside from competing with legend Khuzani Mpongose. UKhuzani kwasephendula laphana-ke eshera le post-ke okubhalwe iDaily Sun wathi lokhu ngikuthatha njengezincomo ezedluliswa uMafikizolo. Le nsizwa ethobe ngale ndlela exakayo, inhliziyo yakho iyona ekuphumelelisayo nokuzithoba kwakho. Nathi singamaciko sisawahlonipha amagalelo akho njengoba ukhula udlondlobala nje. Kusho-ke ini-ke indaba yeDaily Sun. Laphana-ke iDaily Sun ithini? Maskandi star bows down to Khuzani-ke. Okusho ukuthi maybe kukhombisa inhlonipho noma kanjani asazi, asilifunde udaba sizwele lona. Maskandi rising star uMafikizolo aims to win top awards while he bows down to multi-award winning Maskandi star Khuzani Mpongose. The Uyoncingo Unyowo hitmaker aims to win 2 top awards, except the one where he is competing against Khuzani. The 25-year-old musician from Umnambizi, KZN Midlands, recently won the much contested Ukhozi FM Ingoma Yonyaka, Ingoma Ehlonze Unyaka against the industry big names and now is nominated in 3 categories in Metro FM Music Awards. He is nominated for the Best Song of the Year, Best Viral Challenge, and Best Maskandi. But he said he's aiming only for 2, only for Song of the Year and Best Viral Challenge Awards. He is nominated for the best. However, the musician for now is not at level to compete with Khuzani, and he doesn't want to pressure himself. uMafikizolo's song Uyoncingo Unyowo Dance Challenge, dancing, clapping up and down, broke the internet in 2025 and was danced in many places, including stadiums. During big soccer matches, he competed with Khuzani in the Best Maskandi category at Summers in December 2025, and Khuzani won. Asazi-ke noma umuntu-ke uzwe kahle laphana. Bathi-ke uMafikizolo wehla ngobonda kule award enoKhuzani. Manje-ke ukuthi uzobheka lama-award ayi-2, okwi-Best Song of the Year ne-Best Viral Challenge. Le noKhuzani-ke angazi wenza njani, noma ubona ukuthi i-competition iningi noma cha, noma amancoko asazi, kodwa-ke indaba-ke isho njalo-ke. Kune-post-ke ayisherile kuMafikizolo laphayana-ke, abantu bayibonile leyo post leyo. Cabanga ukuthi yena bayazi kuMafikizolo mhlawumbe-ke ubhale wathini lapho, kodwa ngiyacabanga nabo bayingcokolela ethi qhayela qhawe angidlali njalo, cause uyazi vele ukuthi hey, ama-Blue Nation uma sefikile avota ngampela awadlali. Kodwa-ke sizobona ukuthi ama-Metro FM asiphatheleni. Kusazovotwa isikhathi eside-ke. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi nako-April kube kusavotwa ingane zakwethu, and kuzokwenziwa imali eningi kakhulu ngoMaskandi, ngoba nanithi uMaskandi uyadeliver when it comes to voting. So is one of the reason eyenza ukuthi uMaskandi manje bayawufaka, bayabona ukuthi abantu bakhona ba-competitive kakhulu, and into yakhona bayithatha serious. So ibeka lapho indaba-ke manje sesobheka ezinye indaba ezenzeka khona la kwi-Indofa Soweto TV. Nisale kahle.